Hey, it's Neville here, and today I want to talk to you about a concept that I call sell while you sleep. You see, in the physical economy, making money requires you to be there. Whether you're a checkout clerk, a retail worker, or a bartender, you have to be in a physical place to perform your job and earn the money. Even remote workers must usually be awake to provide their service. A product manager has got to be on Zoom calls all day. A programmer has to open his laptop and program. A lawyer's got to pick up that phone and do all sorts of lawyery things. But the ultimate goal is to sell something while you sleep. That means the promotion, purchase, and delivery of a product can be done completely without you being awake. Let's do a quick little example over here. This is a product that can be entirely promoted, purchased, and delivered while the creator is asleep. It's got a little bit of a sales pitch over here explaining what you're going to get. You're going to get the pricing, which is $10, and what you get. You get one video with everything you need to learn 2D animation in Blender. That's it. Just one video is delivered to you via email. Now, there's some very, very easy ways to accomplish this nowadays. In fact, there's some really easy tools to use that are essentially free. There's Gumroad, there's AppSumo, and there's PayPal. All of these platforms allow you to upload a product, accept payment, and deliver it for essentially almost no money. So here is a small smattering of digital products people sell while they sleep. Architectural plans, audio meditation, board game printouts, comics. I'm not even going to read all of these. You can just check them out for yourselves. But what I want to do right now is show you examples of real products that people have sold that they can sell while they sleep. So let us start with something I made. I sold a $10 PDF called the Problem Solving Checklist. I sold it through a PayPal button and through the AppSumo platform. It sold thousands of copies over the years. The cost to develop this was about $400, and quite honestly, I probably could do it myself nowadays with the current tools out there. All it was a simple PDF that I sold for $10. And I would talk about it in YouTube videos, on my blog, and anywhere I would go, I would talk about this and people would buy it. That's it. That was the whole thing. I just put a simple PayPal button up. People would buy, pay the $10, and it would deliver them the PDF. Here is a product by Daniel Vassallo called Everyone Can Build a Twitter Audience. He sold it through Gumroad for, on average, about $40, doing some sales here and there. He sold about $100,000 worth of these in 4 months. The product is literally one video and one PowerPoint slides file. I actually bought this myself. I said I was following this guy. It looks like he was building a good Twitter account. It was $40. I thought, why not? Let me buy it. Here's a product by Danielle Walker where she made an ebook with just 20 lunch recipes. That's right. She sells it through Gumroad for 99 cents. It's only 21 pages long, an intro and then 20 recipes. She sells it through her YouTube channel primarily, where she has roughly 40,000 subscribers, and she cooks with her kids. And whenever she mentions this book, people can go to Gumroad and buy it for 99 cents. It's a really easy way to make a small little income on the side, get people in her atmosphere, and get people's customer information so maybe she could sell them more stuff at a later date. Kyle Prinsloo made a web dev mini course. He sells this through Gumroad for $99 each. It contains a few PDFs, presentations, videos, and templates. He sells 9 different products through Gumroad, so this isn't his only one. Check this out. He actually has a whole host of other different products that he sells through Gumroad, ranging between $22 and $149. So if someone wants to go and buy his Web Design and Beyond ebook, they can go to the site, read about it, purchase it, and get it delivered, all while this guy just sleeps. Isn't that cool? Here's another interesting example. Ashley Marie sells beard crochet patterns. Who would have thought, right? Like, you don't only have to sell SaaS products or communities or something online. You can sell little tiny things like this. She sells them through Gumroad for about $4.99 each. It contains a PDF download with printable patterns for the crochet beards. And she also sells 25 plus different patterns for between $1.49 and $4.99 on her little Gumroad store. So she can create, upload this one time, and then people can find them, buy them, deliver them, all while she sleeps. Adam Beck sells children's books and stories. This is a book called How I Lost My Ear that he sells through Gumroad for $8.95. All it is a single PDF ebook. That's it. He also sells through Amazon, which is kind of interesting, meaning he sells his book through Amazon for $12.95, but if you buy it through him on Gumroad, you can get it for $8.95. And the reason is he gets a much bigger percentage of the sale when he sells it through something like Gumroad, which only takes a small fee, versus Amazon takes a much larger fee for selling a book. So why would you want to build a small little product like this? As you can see from a lot of these examples, these products are ranging from like $1.49 or 99 cents to $40. It doesn't sound that expensive, right? But here's one of the main reasons that you should build a small digital product. Building a digital product sends you down a rabbit hole of skill building. That means to make this digital product, you're going to have to figure out what you want to sell. You're going to figure out what you are good at or what you are qualified to give advice for. You're going to learn how to actually make the product, like make the little ebook or make a video or make a little program or make a fiction story. So you're going to learn all of these skills by just selling a small digital product. And that is the concept I call sell while you sleep. You build a small digital product, you start learning how to sell online, you learn a host of new online skills, and you get to participate in the digital economy. My name is Neville Medora, and thanks for listening. If you liked this video, I sincerely hope you subscribe to this channel, click that little like button, and maybe even leave a little bit of a comment to let us know that this is something you like. Thank you so much for listening. I'll talk to you later.